Traditional paranormal beliefs linked to higher stress and distress levels, a comprehensive analysis. A recent study involving 3,084 participants explored the relationship between different types of paranormal beliefs and their impact on perceived stress levels. The findings revealed that individuals who adhere to traditional paranormal beliefs, TPB, tend to experience higher levels of distress and are more susceptible to stress. In contrast, those who follow New Age philosophy, NAP, did not exhibit the same patterns of increased stress or distress. This research sheds light on how varying belief systems can influence psychological well-being, particularly in the context of stress and coping mechanisms. Paranormal beliefs are widespread across societies and can significantly shape behaviors, attitudes, and worldviews. For instance, such beliefs are often associated with a greater distrust of scientific explanations and a tendency to embrace pseudoscientific ideas. Historically, paranormal beliefs have been linked to maladaptive psychological processes, but recent studies suggest that they do not inherently compromise psychological well-being. However, certain factors, such as high levels of transliminality, a heightened sensitivity to both internal and external stimuli, or the presence of psychopathological traits like schizotypy and manic depressive tendencies, can exacerbate the negative effects of these beliefs. In times of stress, paranormal beliefs can serve as a form of illusory coping, providing individuals with a sense of control or meaning in uncertain situations. However, this coping mechanism often promotes avoidance strategies, which can ultimately impair psychological functioning. The existing literature on this topic is inconsistent, leaving unanswered questions about how different types of paranormal beliefs, rooted in cultural, social, or individual contexts, affect well-being. Traditional paranormal beliefs, TPB, are deeply rooted in cultural and social frameworks that attribute control to external supernatural forces, such as spirits, fate, or divine intervention. These beliefs often provide comfort during periods of collective uncertainty, offering explanations for events that seem beyond human control. On the other hand, New Age philosophy, NAP, focuses on individual and spiritual approaches, emphasizing practices like meditation, positive energy, and self-empowerment. NAP suggests that individuals have the ability to control their own lives through personal growth and spiritual development. These fundamental differences between TPB and NAP may lead to divergent impacts on well-being, depending on the context in which they are applied. However, these distinctions have not yet been thoroughly examined in research. To address this gap, a research team led by Neil Dagnall from Manchester Metropolitan University and Andrew Denevan from Liverpool John Moores University, with support from the Beale Foundation, conducted a large-scale study. The study utilized statistical modeling to analyze data from 3,084 participants aged 18 and older, all residing in the United Kingdom. The goal was to determine whether TPB and NAP are differentially associated with perceived stress, a commonly used indicator of psychological well-being in research. The findings, published in the article. Re-evaluation of the relationship between paranormal belief and perceived stress using statistical modeling. In the scientific journal, PLOS One revealed significant differences between the two belief systems. Traditional paranormal beliefs were strongly associated with higher levels of distress and a reduced capacity to cope with stress. This suggests that individuals who hold TPB may be more vulnerable to the negative effects of stress, potentially due to their reliance on external forces for explanations and solutions. In contrast, New Age philosophy showed no significant predictive association with stress or distress, indicating that its emphasis on internal control and self-empowerment may offer a more adaptive approach to managing stress. These findings highlight the importance of considering the specific nature of paranormal beliefs when examining their impact on psychological well-being. While TPB may provide temporary comfort, its association with higher distress levels suggests that it may not be an effective long-term coping strategy. On the other hand, NAP's focus on individual agency and spiritual practices may offer a more resilient framework for navigating stress, though further research is needed to fully understand its implications. The study underscores the complex interplay between belief systems and mental health, particularly in the context of stress. As paranormal beliefs continue to be prevalent in society, understanding their psychological effects is crucial for developing strategies to support individuals in managing stress and maintaining well being. Future research could explore how these beliefs interact with other psychological and social factors, as well as how they evolve over time in response to changing cultural and environmental conditions. By gaining a deeper understanding of these dynamics, researchers and mental health professionals can better address the needs of individuals who hold such beliefs, ultimately promoting healthier coping mechanisms and improved psychological resilience.